I'm going to be showing you how to export your videos in Adobe Premiere Rush on your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. What's up guys, my name is Jenric Aquino and I help people grow on YouTube using their smartphone. So if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe with the bell icon turned on. Exporting your videos in Adobe Rush is super duper easy. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Okay guys, what you want to do is tap on your video project and on the top right corner, select on the share button. And on the top, you can see you get 3 exports with a free starter plan, upgrade for unlimited sharing. So it basically means that you only have 3 exports, but it doesn't have a watermark and it doesn't have a downgrade in the quality, but you only have 3 exports, and I think this is okay for most people. And I think this is just a test if this app is for you or not. If this app is for you, I recommend you upgrade. And as you can see here, if you tap this arrow next to quality settings, you can see a bunch of nice information here. And as you can see, automatic here, if you tap on that, you will see some options here. So 720 match frame rate, 720p 30 fps. I recommend you select the option with match frame rate so that the final product, the exported file, it doesn't have any problem. So let's say you're filming at 24 frames per second, make sure you select 1080p match frame rate. You don't want to select 720p 30 frames per second if your video is 24 frames per second or 60 frames per second. You don't want any of that. You don't want any problems in the final product. So I'm just gonna select 720p match frame rate, and as you can see, you have this nice information down here: resolution, frame rate, audio channels, quality, as well as the estimated file size, which is really good. And after that, you just press on export, and it's already rendering, it's already exporting the video. And after exporting, the final product will be in your gallery waiting for you there. If you want to see my full tutorial on Adobe Premiere Rush, then click this video card right here. And if you want to see all of my Premiere Rush tutorials, then click this playlist card right here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, have fun creating, and I'll see you next time.